Present perfect tense. We use the present perfect to talk about experiences, recent actions, changes over time, actions that started in the past and continue now. Form has or has plus past participle. Example of past participles: gone, eaten, written, played, finished. Positive sentences. Structure. Subject plus have or has plus past participle. For example, I have visited Dubai. She has finished her homework. They have lived here for 5 years. We have watched that movie before. Negative sentences. Structure. Subject plus haven't or hasn't plus past participle. For example, I haven't eaten lunch yet. They haven't seen the new teacher. She hasn't traveled abroad. Questions. Structure. Has or has plus subject plus past participle. For example, have you visited London? Has she finished the homework? Have they seen your message? Has he called you today? Short answers. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. Use of the present perfect tense. Life experiences. No specific time. We don't say when it happened. For example, I have met many famous people. She has tried Japanese food. They have visited many countries. Don't say, I have visited Paris last year. Instead, say, I visited Paris last year. Use past simple. Recent action, just, already, yet. For example, I have just finished my work. She has already eaten dinner. They haven't called me yet. Just a moment ago. Already, earlier than expected. Yet, used in negative or questions. Unfinished time periods. For example, today, this week, this year. I have studied a lot this week. She has made 5 videos today. They have not cleaned the room this morning. Actions that started in the past and continue now. Use for or since. For example, I have lived here since 2018. She has worked at this company for 3 years. We have known each other since childhood. For duration, for example, 3 years, a long time. Since, starting point, 2018, Monday, childhood is the example. Quick differences. Present perfect. I have seen that movie. Experience. Time not mentioned. Past simple. I saw that movie yesterday. Specific time. Practice sentences. Positive. She has written 3 books. They have bought a new car. I haven't seen him today. He hasn't finished the report. Have you ever eaten sushi? Has he visited your house? Thank you for watching.